Mayeni was complaining about Mangwabe and Mpumelelo's issue. Mpumelelo says Mangwabe's daughter Zenande is not Musamseleku's daughter. Mangwabe got upset, but she didn't tell Mayeni. So Mayeni was complaining about the serious issue Mpumelelo says about her daughter. Mangwabe didn't tell Mayeni. All the time she was quiet. Mangwabe told Musamseleku because they fixed that issue behind Mayeni's back. Mangwabe knows that Mayeni, some of the things she is not involved on Mpumelelo and Musamseleku. Mpumelelo heard Musamseleku said about those things. That's why Mangwabe didn't involve Mayeni, because even she told Mayeni can tell you again that I don't want to be involved on Mpumelelo and Musamseleku's issues. So Mayeni was complaining why Mangwabe didn't tell me. Mangwabe saw that there is no issue to involve Mayeni, because some of the things, guys, those people, they know each other. Even Mayeni says we know each other. It's true. Mangwabe knows Mayeni very well, that Mayeni can't discuss some of the serious issues about other wives. She is not the kind of the person. That's why Mangwabe didn't tell Mayeni, and Mayeni doesn't want to be involved about Musamseleku's and his wives, their issues, because it's a sensitive thing. And now Mayeni is complaining why Mangwabe didn't tell me. I don't understand Mayeni, guys. Even Mangwabe told Mayeni can tell Mangwabe again, why are you telling me? Because I don't want to be involved on Musamseleku. Go and tell his father. Mangwabe told Musamseleku and they fixed that problem. Maybe Musamseleku told Mpumelelo to apologize, what. So Mayeni was complaining why all the time Mangwabe was quiet. Some of the things, guys, you know, there is no need to involve Mayeni, especially Mpumelelo. All the time he is doing his own things with his father Musamseleku. That issue Mpumelelo had with Musamseleku, that's why Mpumelelo told Musamseleku that day, you want to expose Sneh about what she said on television, on broadcast, Sneh, about Mangwabe and Makumalo. Mpumelelo knows that those things Sneh she was saying, she knows very well that Musamseleku was always discussing with Macele at CPAC. That's why Mpumelelo cut Musamseleku that day at trip and say, you know that Mpumelelo knows his father very well. And now he doesn't want to be involved on those issues with the Musamseleku's wives. Musamseleku is the one who was saying those words about Mangwabe's daughter to Mpumelelo, that child, the head, what. Musamseleku was complaining on the back, was not telling Mangwabe about Zenande's head, what's going on about that child's head. And he was telling Mpumelelo, you understand? So Mpumelelo took Zinande and he was asking Zinande, what's going on with your head? You are Mseleku, what. It's about Musamseleku. That's why Mpumelelo cut Musamseleku. You want to expose Sneh, because Musamseleku can discuss some of the things about with his wives, with his kids. And those kids, they came public and exposed them. Musamseleku start saying, you Sneh, what, you are the one who says those words about Mangwabe, what. But Musamseleku knows very well that he is the one who starts saying those things. Mpumelelo can't say those words alone. It's about his father. That's why Mayeni, Mangwabe doesn't want to involve Mayeni. That's why she doesn't, because it's about Musamseleku. Mayeni can't say those words because those people, they know each other. So there is no need Mayeni to complain why Mangwabe didn't tell me about this serious issue, that issue Mpumelelo did. Because some of the things Mayeni doesn't know about many things. Mpumelelo, he can do his own things with his father Musamseleku. Mpumelelo heard with Musamseleku said. That's why Mangwabe, she is very hurt, doesn't want anything to do with Musamseleku, because guys, you can't, your husband can't, guys, talk about you on your back about the child, that child is not mine, what. Musamseleku said many things about Mangwabe on her back. And in Mpumelelo, you know that kids, guys, they can say 1-1. Even Snare was exposing Mangwabe on broadcast. It's about her father. Her father is the one who was discussing with them about those wives